All right, everyone, it's time to do a sound effect for consuming the boost, the health boost. So let's go to sounds. We're going to make our own. So just hover over this and go up to the little mic and then click. Okay, I'm going to record in 3, 2, 1. Yum, yum. Okay, that was me doing a silly voice. And let's try that.
Yum, 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 yum.
I think there's a bit of feedback there. So I'm going to do it again. 3, 2, 1. Yum, yum.
Yum, yum,
Not as silly as last time.
yum, yum.
But I can speed it up. Okay, so save that. Call it yum yum. And let's play it.
Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
That's a bit better. Okay, so go to your code. And define drink potion. So if you're touching it and it's visible, then you can drink it. So the animation starts here. We're going to add a sound effect. Go to sounds. And I'm going to put the sound first because it can start while other things are happening. So start sound yum yum. And let's take a look at how that works.
Yum, yum.
Okay, that works all right. So pretty easy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.